Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got the last of the Nissin cup noodles from Germany. This is the beef with aromatic spicy soup. So, I come to you with a heavy heart on this day as my very good friend, the Reverend Dick Gazinia, has lost his battle with cancer and has left on the great starship to planet Tharg 4. So yeah, pretty bummed. He's a dude named Jamie Burge, and he lived in Devon, England. And we met through the Ramen Junkies group, and I would talk to him a lot. It was funny because initially he made everybody just violently irritated because the way he would type was very broken, very British, lots of punctuation that didn't belong so much, and it drove people nuts. Like, what are you on, dude? And blah, 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 blah. It was funny. And the more I talked to him, the more I found we had things in common. He was older than me. He was about almost 20 years older than me. But he had traveled a lot of the same places that I'd been. He worked as a nurse for Britain and an RN. And he was in the Falkland Islands. He was during Desert Storm. All over the place. And we would talk all about noodles and food and travel and music. We were into the same music, and we became really, really good friends. And it is a huge loss to me that he is gone. I just found out this morning, and I'm like, just like being in shock, just like numb and kind of dazed, just got like hit by a 2x4. So yeah, I'm bummed. Just kind of on autopilot. I'm gonna be doing a really special post about the guy and his favorite, which was my Kuali Penang white curry. I'm gonna go get all the stuff and do like a really nice special post. So that, by the time you see this, will have already posted. So you'll see it. It'll be in the next week or so when I do it. First, I need money, and second, I need the stuff. So it's a rainy day here. It's February 17th, I think. 16th, 14th, 15th, 17th, 2025. And we had to go out this morning. And, it's President's Day. That's right. And so the kids are off today. And then the rest of the week is what they call midwinter break. One of the many, many holidays they get these days. Which is kind of weird. We didn't get a midwinter break. We got like spring break. But we got off a lot earlier for summer. I'm pretty sure. But I think they'll be getting done in like late June at this point. We had snow days. And then we also had, because we had a big windstorm and there were electrical outages, we had like wind days that they didn't attend. Well, let's give this a try. Cheers. Noodle is as expected. Nice little bit of brittleness, flat. I like it. The broth kind of reminds me of a braised beef, like you might find from China. It's good. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I like that one. I really liked all of these. I'm trying to think of one that I wasn't so into, and maybe the duck one. It seemed a little on the lighter side of things, but making up for that was their deme ramen variety, which was really good. So, yeah. And here we are. Yeah, that's a nice beef noodle. I'm cool with this. Okay, so in keeping with the remembrance of my friend, we're gonna add a special garnish that he introduced me to. Here's some Chinese sausage. And this is Li Kum Ki Chu Chow style chili crisp. And this is really good. It's got a little extra bite than a lot of the chili crisps. And I'm going to be using, wow, why do I have so many forks? The spoon that he sent me. Actually, he sent it to my wife. He sent her some tea, some proper British tea, which was kind. But yeah. It has a slight piquant hit too. It's got a little tanginess to it. Yeah. Oh wow, and it is quite spicy. This one's pretty good. I mean, for a beef noodle, if I was like had to pick a cup, beef cup, I'd probably lean towards this, honestly. Savory, delicious, wonderful, fun. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, a somber day. All right, well, that's that for that one. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is cup noodles stir fry rice. This is a Korean spicy beef variety, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.